three of them broke their boards. How you going?
Not well. Give me a kiss.
It's been 48 hours, we barely had anything to drink, we've not seen any civilization.
So we'll call you the prophet. The prophet Isabel. Good morning, good morning. Today we are doing a little mission of a kind of like an adventure day, I guess you could call it. There's a beach called Playa Bluff and it's meant to have some really good, really heavy surf. All our friends have been talking it up for a long time now. We are yet to get over there. Today is the last day of sunshine we're going to have in some weeks, I think. So we're really trying to make the most of it. We've got a few friends that have already headed over there, Igor and Camilla from sailing vessel Vinca. I'm apologising if I got it wrong, Igor and Camilla. Anyway, you'll see the corrected version just here, I think. And here's a young Isabel.
Good morning. Young, right?
Young, you describe yourself as old? An old, wise Isabel.
There you go.
From the ancient
Wise.
times.
Like I'm wise.
Oh, no, you're not a wife yet.
I am wise.
But I'm a wife.
You haven't introduced our new friend.
My new friend? Recently we got a Yamaha 15 horsepower two-stroke.
And who was the happy chappy?
I'm very happy chappy.
Hola! Sorry we're late.
Good morning! Sorry we're only like 2 hours late.
Any last words?
This is going to be interesting.
Yeah?
This is pretty solid. That one, do you see that, Magnus? Oh, it's so quick.
Alright, baby.
Alright, catch ya.
You ever nervous when he's out? No. No? Oof, to be honest, I'm a bit nervous. I know Kieran's a pro surfer and he's awesome at it. But we had some friends here before and all three of them broke their boards. It can be pretty hectic. Today they said it's not that big, but oof, still. He's with friends and we're right here. But yeah, it's gonna be fun though. I mean, I've seen him surf, but to see him this close to shore, it's gonna be nice.
Surfing in Bocas for the first time in 8 months felt like an absolute dream. 95% of Bocas' income comes from mainly the surfing tourism, with waves extremely consistent through the dry season. Surfers of all skill level come to enjoy the Caribbean's best waves year in and year out.
Our personal trainer, hey? Yeah. So how are we doing? Hi?
Hey?
How you going?
Not well.
No? What happened to you?
I was surfing and having quite a good time, and I was coming in and I took a few sets on the head, and they've really aggravated an old injury in my neck. So for the last hour and a half I've been pretty much sitting completely still, trying to rest it. It is not a good time.
You'll survive.
Fingers crossed. Gonna need a bit of love and attention.
Oh. See if I can find someone for that. See.
Oh, do you have to look far?
Oh.
Gentle.
Oh, sorry.
That's better. That's better. I can deal with those excuses.
Should we take you home?
Yes, please.
Yeah?
Yep.
Aw.
Hey, cutie.
Oh, hello, Mr. Kieran Weiss.
What's going on, Miss Isabel Nee?
Glad you asked. We are going on a bit of an exploring.
Are we going on a little bit of exploring?
Yes, where are we going?
Oh, awesome.
Where are we going?
We are going to Carenero. Carenero is a little island just next door to the main town of Bocas del Toro. Carenero is meant to be very, very beautiful. I've been surfing the whole way around it for the last, I don't know,
2 weeks?
week or two. We've been here a while. We don't vlog that much while we're here. I'm just surfing all the time, aren't I?
Yeah, you're surfing a lot. I'm surfing a bit too.
You're surfing as well, aren't you? You're learning.
Yeah.
It's good. Carenero reminds me of basically Hawaii, where you've got these kind of houses that are just on the beach, overlooking the water. You got waves, you got palm trees, beautiful.
And a little jungle inside, eh?
Beautiful island, tropic
Yeah,
vibes.
yeah.
We're going to find out a bit more about it today.
We've heard of some friends that there's lots and mountains. Sloths and monkeys and frogs and stuff in there, so I'm really keen to check that out.
Yeah.
And yeah, just walk around it and have
Yeah,
a relaxed day.
We are yet to see a sloth, aren't we?
Yeah. Our friends yesterday saw 7, a bit jelly.
And we have not seen one.
No.
Haven't seen a red frog, haven't seen a sloth.
No.
This place is becoming a very big of a letdown. No, the surf is good. The surf is great.
Oh, it's amazing, and all of our friends are here, and we're having such a good time. So.
We have talked about this. This is one of our more favourite anchorages over the last last 12 months.
Yeah.
It's very, very calm. We have access to surf. We have access to shops, cafes, restaurants, internet, very, very good unlimited internet, and we're here with our friends as well. So we just had some friends pull up last night. We've made some friends here.
Yeah.
It's like having a little community of yachties right here at our doorstep, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
just met Mary. She's the owner of the marina here on Carenero, and she was very lovely, wasn't she? She told us about the island. There's these little bugs, not mosquitoes, even smaller than mosquitoes. They're called chitra. Is that how you pronounce it? Chitra?
Maybe.
Could be incorrect there, but anyway, so they are actually biting our legs right now. But,
Kieran loves that, eh?
oh, it's just my favourite. They actually pollinate the cacao on the island. So wherever there's cacao, there are chitra. Carenero's Island is a long and forested island located just a few hundred meters east of Isla Colon in the Bocas del Toro archipelago. The name comes from the nautical term careening, which means to lean a ship on its side for repairing of the hull. A little bit green, a little bit premature.
Yeah?
Yep.
You reckon?
Okay, so we've actually learnt that each house along this waterfront is a retirement house, and they've all got these individual boardwalks with their boat just sitting there on the water. Unreal spot.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all. Like if I was a surfer and I wanted to retire somewhere, this would be right up there.
Yeah. Amazing houses.
If I had to live on land. If I had to settle down on the old piece of dirt.
I just found our new home.
You what?
I just found our new home when
Oh,
we were
yeah?
retired and living on the dirt.
Oh, yeah?
As someone said.
Oh yeah, where is it?
Look at this. Only 3,811 kilometers to New York. What do you think? Should we just scoot over for the weekend? How about Cape Town?
How far is Cape Town?
11,583.
Oh, it's a small sail.
Yeah, maybe like a week there and then
We had a trimaran.
scoot to Seattle, 5,676. Isn't nature incredible?
You are incredible, baby. Tell me your troubles, baby.
I mean, we haven't seen any slots.
Okay.
I'm sad now.
It's alright, you got this sloth. You got this one. I can be really slow. Ah, Isabel. Give me a kiss.
I'm determined to see one.
Keep dreaming, darling. Okay, so this spot behind me, it's a little surf break. This is what we call Careneros. The island is named Careneros, but this is the surf break Careneros right behind me. Me and all of our friends have been surfing it nearly every day for, I don't know, 8-10 days. It's unreal. It sucks up on reefs. There are sections where it's really fast, and then there's other sections where it's really slow. So it's kind of for all kind of surfers. Isabel is yet to find a sloth. How many hours have we been at this, babe?
Oh, it's been 48 hours. We barely had anything to drink. We've not seen any civilization.
If we don't make it out of here alive, You'll know we never saw a sloth and died to tell the tale. That does not make sense at all.
No, but seriously, if I was a sloth, I'll be living here. Sea view, you know, plenty of green.
Be setting up a house?
Mm-hmm. It's great.
They hate her. They hate her.
I think it's gonna be one of those times that we just walk and then we just stumble across one in, like, you know, eyesight. We take the best selfie with a sloth that ever existed.
You keep dreaming there, darling. You keep dreaming.
I'm just telling you the truth. I've seen into the future.
You've seen into the future. Okay. Okay. So we'll call you the prophet. The prophet Isabel.
You may.
You may. After sailing 7,000 miles around the world, we knew trash on these small islands is a very constant battle. But we were happy to notice the local population of the island had allocated bins every 100 meters around the island to ensure paradise stayed exactly that.